All right, so we're getting the Kodiak cleaned up here, and here's a little trick for you. A lot of you camper owners might have these little streaks just like we got right here. This is like residue from the rubber seals that drips down with the rain, and it starts making a little stain on it. Get you one of these Mr. Clean Magic Erasers, and they work really good for helping to remove these little streaks. Sometimes they're a little tougher than others, and you really got to get your elbow in there on them. But they do a good job of taking those streaks out. I'm going underneath here because I can kind of see it all the way underneath that seal there.
I think you should bring that thing in and do the tub.
Yep, it works good on tubs too. That's another video for another time though. They may not want to see that.
No.
All right, I'll just give it a little rinse here.
Did you get it? Yeah.
Tell me, did I get it all?
Yes.
Okay.
I know it's probably hard to see on the camera, but yeah.
Yeah, and it's really bright. We got the afternoon sun beating on us, but see, I can look up here and I can see a streak right here coming down off this vent. And you can see how the Magic Eraser is looking. This is caulking right here. That needs to be kind of cleaned off there, really. All right, we got that one. I see another one right here. If you get in the reflection, you can really see the streak a lot better.
I think it's especially easy to see at the back there.
Yeah, we got a couple of them we're gonna go to.
It's looking good. It looks so pretty in the light, doesn't it?
Oh yeah, we've been giving it a bath. I'm trying to get her cleaned up, spruced up, looking good so we can hit the road again for spring break. All right, so we got those right there. I'm gonna give you a couple more examples. Let's move right down here. All right, so you can see we got a streak right here. Can you see that good?
I can't see it at all, but it's really bright out here.
All right, tell you what. And you can see where I wiped it off right there because you can see it here and here. And I just cleaned this with the, the soap.
But it just didn't get that grimy.
It won't get this off just with normal washing.
Yeah.
So that's why I say get you one of these Magic Erasers. And right through here, it's really hard to see sometimes. We have a drip right off that top edge that comes down and hits this guy right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give it a little buff. We can when we want to. All right, let's go down to the back because that one's really noticeable and we'll clean that one. Okay. This is our magnet that holds the lid up for the storage compartment here. So you can see how we're getting this streaking under it right here. Again, I already washed this with soap and water, but these hard streaks, it doesn't want to get them off. Oh, it works great. One more little spot we're going to show since I'm cleaning up. Over here by the door, now you can see all this on here. This is from the lubricant whenever I lube these hinges right here. Sometimes when we're out there camping for a while, especially when we're out in the west, door starts getting a little bit squeaky. So I use some of my WD-40 on here or my CRC SP350, and it's kind of sticky. So you see that right there?
That's a little easier to see. So that didn't come off with the wash?
No, but you see, but you can take this and it wipes it right off there. Now we're gonna come right here to the door. But look, see?
Yeah.
If you use that, it comes right off.
Amazing.
It works good.
Yeah.
And this is not a plug for Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. This is just a tool that works. It works really well. All these little hard spots that are hard to get off, you can use this eraser and get them off there. I'm gonna have to, I'm gonna go back across the side right here with the soap and water and just kind of rewash it so we don't have these little soapy residues from the eraser. But I'm gonna continue to go around, see, like we got them right here. It's been a while since I've used this and cleaned it off, so I'm just trying to give it a good once over, clean, get it.
Way too long since we've used the camera.
It has been too long. but we're about to change that because
We are. We got
We're-
some serious plans.
we got some plans coming up. We've got a trip coming up next week that's going to be considered a long spring break trip, and then
May or may not involve fishing.
it may or may not involve fishing,
I'm really excited.
and a new state to put on the map.
Yes.
And then we have a summer trip that's going to include both business and we get to go visit the Kodiak factory.
Yay!
We're going to go visit
We're
the Kodiak
so
factory.
excited.
They are going to give us and you a tour of the Kodiak factory. We're going to see.
I cannot wait to go.
I can't either. We're going to see exactly where our camper was made, and we're going to have a lot of fun. So we're getting it cleaned up, ready for the road. So I'm going to get back to it and finish getting it spruced up. All right.
Back to work.
All right.